Hindi ko po alam. Minsan yung tubuhan, almit na, yung sa gilid, almit na. Nakakawis na pag nakakawala from. Oo. Palaging pinapagalitin ni tatay kasi bali-bali na yung mga tubo. Pag dumadaan.
Dati nagbakasyon ako nun sa dito. May nabili kami sa Kalo, yung kalaw, alam mo yung kalaw, yung ibon.
Kalaw?
Oo, kalaw. Inuwi ko pa yun dito sa Maynila. Nalaga ako yung kalaw na ano. Tapos lumipad! Kumakaso lang utang na loob ng kalaw na. Nilayasan ako. Tikrit na hirap mo, bitbitin yun. Alam mo, di ba, sakit sa kwit mula Bicol hanggang Maynila ng kotse.
Kotse lang?
Na ano, van kami. Asan si Lani? Borlog? Bilis kayo. How are you, Rafael? What is it?
Ako na lang nito.
Masyado.
Sugar.
Oh, ba't kayo alam mo bakit kayo nakaporma lahat? Ano ba nakain ninyo at nakaformal kayo lahat?
Ayoko niyan.
Nakabihis kayong lahat. O sige.
Nag-lunch ka na, direct?
Yes, I'm done, anak. I am done.
Kumain ka na lang.
Nag-this.
Ako pala pinakahuli.
Bakit? Ayan o, yan. Wala na.
Nakalam mo yung brass trap mo, no?
Tawag na po tanggalin eh.
Huwag mo tanggalin, ano?
Diba, sir? Okay na yun. Iso yun.
Wait lang. There's a ribbon in the sky.
Ano gagawin ko?
Bakit?
Basta.
Bakit?
Kasi changed for the better.
There's a ribbon in the sky, my love.
Cheese na mga kain.
Folded in handkerchief. May sale. May sale, 70% off.
Sunlight the dawn, look into my eyes, my love, and see all the lovely things you are to me. The shadow of your smile when you are gone, the color of my dreams, sunlight the dawn. Look into my eyes and see my love and see all the things you are to me, all the lovely things you are to me. The shadow of your smile when you are gone, the color of my dreams. Light and dawn, look into my eyes, my love, and see all the lovely things you are to me. I wish for little stars, for little stars. I wish for little stars. It was far too high.
How many people have snacks? How are you, Miguel? Fine.